Okay, so here we are at the Cultural Futures Hub. Now, when you join the space, this is where you'll arrive. If you're having trouble moving or doing anything, you'll find a little grey box at the bottom of your screen with a little cross on it. So if you click on that cross, that will close the box, and then you should be able to move. Okay, so if you're on desktop, like a laptop or computer, you can move around just by using your mouse to click on the screen and dragging it round, and then double clicking to move where you want to go. Or you can also use your keyboard. Pressing W helps you move forward, pressing S makes you go back, A to go left, and D to go right. And you can just click and drag on the screen to rotate the camera. If you're on mobile phone, you'll have two small circles at the bottom corner of each side of your mobile. So if you put your thumb on the left dot on the bottom of your screen and just move your thumb around a little bit, it'll move you around. You can move forwards, backwards, left, right. If you tap the right hand circle, you can jump up and down. But just dragging your finger across the screen will move you around as well and change your view. If you would like to chat to other people, which you can in the space, you need to switch on your microphone. So what you need to do is log in first of all. You have to make an account to be able to speak. Again, make sure that you've closed that little box at the bottom of your screen, and then go to the three dots in the top right hand corner. If you can't see the three dots, that means this box isn't closed yet. So go to the three dots at the top right hand corner, click those to bring up the menu, and then you click on the microphone icon that pops up to unmute it, and you should be able to speak. So that's what you need to do when you get to the space. And let me tell you what the space is. In essence, it's a new kind of platform. A few people have said it's a little bit like playing World of Warcraft or playing The Sims. You're actually an avatar. Now, what that means is you actually have a body like in a computer game. That's mine. It's a bit weird looking. You can change the appearance if you go into your settings, your profile settings. But in essence, this figure here is who you are in this space. It's not like Twitter or Facebook where you just type. You can actually speak to people using your microphone. You can type in the chat box, which on desktop is just here on the right. On mobile as well, actually. And you can walk around. So basically, you follow those instructions and you can walk around. So what I've made is a gallery of folklore. So for now, the current exhibition throughout September is Willow and I's new book, The Treasury of Folklore. So all the folklore currently in the exhibitions is related to those themes of the book: waterlands, wooded worlds, and starry skies. So the space is generally open. I've left it open so people can just come and have a look when they want, browse the space, have a look at the folklore, and in essence, you walk into a gallery. Do feel free, just walk around. You don't need to wait for permission or wait for anyone to tell you where you can go or what you can do. Just make yourself at home. This gallery here is the Law of the Ocean Waves. So everything in here is related to sea folklore. And here's the new book, The Treasury of Folklore. Sadly, the discount's now finished. It finished at the end of August. But you can pick this up online. It's a compilation of some of the folklore from the other three books in the series. So it's nice for people who've never read the series, or as a Christmas gift or birthday gift. And here is one of the galleries, and we have some sculptures here from different artists. I didn't make these, I'm not that skilled yet. We have some illustrations from the Treasury of Folklore book by Joe McLaren. We have some artwork from other artists relating to the themes. This is Scylla and Charybdis here by Joe from our book. And this one here is also Scylla and Charybdis, used as a political message. So that's the kind of stuff you'll find in here. You'll find a little bit of folklore you can read. There are ideas of things you can do. You can share things on social media. And also, you can walk around here and see some 3D models, things like this. And you can come and chat to people and find out more folklore. Here's some more. Also, you can, let me try and speed this up a little bit. I'm in a VR headset at the moment, so it takes a little while to walk around. I'll go a bit faster. There is a video about the book that you can come and have a look at. Nearly jumped in the sea there, don't do that. Well, you can if you like, it's quite fun. The first time people joined me here, we all did jump in the sea at the end. So this is a video that will be playing. I've turned it off for now so you can hear me speaking. So you can come and find out all about the book by sitting here. You can sit on one of these seats and watch the video. I'm just trying to show you how to sit down. There you go. If you click F on your keyboard, you can sit down. So each week I'm running events in the space. We've got storytellers, content creators, artists, all giving talks. So they're going to be sitting here on the stage and speaking, and you can all come and join and listen. This Thursday, there's an event at 2 o'clock till 3 o'clock. That's 12th of September. But get your tickets from Eventbrite. Find out the details from the Cultural Futures Hub group on Facebook. But if that date has passed, go to the groups or the Eventbrite and find out what other events are happening, because there will be more planned each week. Here we have a little bit more information about me, Willow and Joe, and you can read that. So yeah, basically that's the space. And you can access it from your laptop, your mobile phone, or a VR headset if you have one. And then basically what will happen is you're not on your own here. Other people will join the space. It's quite a social experience. So as I said, you can have a chat. But just for some ideas, I've put these conversation starters here. So little questions that you can sit down here and answer and chat about with other people. If you don't want to have a chat, that's fine. Just leave your microphone off and you can just come and wander around. Don't feel obliged. So I do hope to see you in the space, and come along, find out what events are happening, have a chat, or just come and watch a talk if you're not feeling sociable. That's fine too. Hope to see you here.